Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check another activity, but this time from reading, that is called Jobs for Kids. Today we're going to read together. Please pay attention and make pauses when reading. Remember that it's really important to follow punctuation. When you see a point, you have to make a pause. Okay? At the end, you can check words that you didn't understand in order to look in a dictionary for their meaning. So we are going to start. Strategies. We have here three strategies. First, predicting. You have to use the pictures to guess the words. Remember that the pictures are going to give us some information about the text. Analyzing structure. Analyzing is using the headings to understand where to find specific information. And scanning. Scanning is to read the text quickly to find specific information. We are going to read this in the same pace, but at the end you can read it quickly in order to check up on more words that you didn't pay attention enough. Okay, guys? Jobs for kids. Have fun and make money too. Is work ever fun? The answer is yes, if you find the right job. Sometimes this means creating a job for yourself. Here are some ideas of jobs that you can do. Artistic jobs. Are you an artist? Here's an idea. Jewelry maker. You can make jewelry and sell it. Dental floss and beds are not expensive. You can use them to make attractive necklaces and bracelets. If you like, you can also make hair jewelry such as headbands. Sell them to your friends at school and in your neighborhood. Jobs for animal lovers. Do you like animals? If so, you're lucky. Most neighborhoods have plenty of pets, so finding work will be easy. Advertise with posters at veterinarians' offices and pet shops. Dog walker. A dog walking business is perfect for a dog lover. Promise 1 or 2 walks daily, and remember, you can walk more than one dog at a time. Just make sure that they don't fight. Dog washer. Offer a dog washing and brushing service. Add some special touches of your own. For example, cut triangles from cloth to create doggy bandanas. Then use an instant camera to take a picture. Write your name and phone number on the back so that pet owners can call you to make another appointment. Jobs around the house. Do you enjoy working around the house? If so, there are many things you can do. Advertise your business with a helping hand, business card. Write your name, business, and phone number on the cards. Gardener. You can rake leaves, cut the grass, plant flowers, or put weeds for your neighbors. Babysitter. You can babysit for your neighbors when they have to go out. You can even start a playgroup for little children to keep them happy while their parents are busy. Food service jobs. Are you great in the kitchen? Your friends at school will be grateful. What is the best way to get new customers? Give people free samples. Trail mix maker. This sweet treat is a mixture of things such as dried fruit, nuts, and chocolate pieces. You decide on the recipe, but a little trail mix in a plastic bag. Tie the bag with a ribbon and sell it to your friends at school. Get permission from the school first, of course. Lemonade seller. On hot days, you could sell lemonade on the street. In addition to lemons, offer your customers fresh strawberries or raspberries for a fruitier flavor. Now that we have read, it follows the activity. In this activity, you have to read again the text and of course you have to scan it, so do it quickly and then do it again but slower, okay? Then you have to look for the words that you don't understand and then answer the questions in the file. You are going to check up on uh, watching the headings and say many different categories. You have to look the pictures to predict and then answer the differences that you check up on the activity. Good job, guys. I know that you are going to make it, and if not, don't doubt on asking me any question. Please, I'm here for you. And remember to play the video as many times as necessary for your better understanding. Remember, please, to write the full date. Remember, Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, and then remember to write the capital letter and punctuation with red color. It is important to write with order and cleanliness. So, thank you guys. We are going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.